Want to show big numbers in your report without clutter? Here's how to format visitor stats with K and M in Excel. In my example, I've got a list of national parks. One column shows student visitors for educational trips. The other shows total annual visitors. First, let's format the student visitors. Format cells. Custom 0.0, K. So 3,200 instantly shows 3.2K. Next, we'll clean up the annual visitors format cells. Custom 0.0, M. So 4,500,000 becomes 4.5 M. This is even more useful if we graph the data and try to show the data points. Select the park name and annual visitors and use a column chart. Next, add the data points. It's quick, it's clear, and it makes your reports so much easier to read. Perfect for presentations, public reports, or dashboards. Try this trick next time you have big numbers. That's part 27 of our 500+ Excel tips in the playlist. If you find it useful, go ahead and subscribe for more quick Excel tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.